A movie?
Yeah. What movie?
Kung Fu Panda.
What's that? Oh, what is it? Show Mommy.
You show Mama. Hold it up so Mama can see.
What'd you get? What is it?
Thomas.
Thomas what?
It's Thomas Brain.
Oh, Thomas toothbrush.
Yeah.
What else is in there? What's that?
Yeah.
What is it?
White.
Okay, what else?
Right over there.
That's big, huh?
Yeah.
What else is in there? What's that? Turn it over. I forgot we got that. Okay, let's see what else is in your stocking.
Let's open everything up first, okay, and then we'll color. Okay? See, Daddy got, there was a Backyardigans book in there. Okay, keep going, there's more stuff. Here, let's put that over here. Okay, give me your airplane. Hey, look, there's more stuff in there. Keep going. Here, give me your cards. I'll put your cards over here with your other stuff.
Wyatt, show me your stocking. What does it say on there? What's that?
The doggy movie? Give me a doggy movie.
What are those? What's that?
Numbers flashcards?
Oh, did we get him those? You got them?
I might have put a couple of things in there.
Keep going. Right here.